Hey dear happy beings, guess where I am right now? I am at Delhi Aanand Dham Ashram, a place worth visiting, a peaceful place with the love of nature and beauty. This greenery is so amazing. It's so beautiful. We all need a place in our lives where we should go and live peacefully. And even if we are peaceful in our lives, that place must add on to our peace. And this place is somewhat like that. This is day one of my Delhi trip at Aanand Ashram. Stay tuned with me for day 2 vlog of my Delhi trip. See you very soon in the next vlog. Until then, lots of happiness, love, peace to you, to me, and enjoy this love of nature. Bye.